Hi, my name's Nick Grantham from fractuslearning.com, and in this course I'm going to take you through the foundations you can put in place to ensure your kids enjoy, progress, and fall in love with programming. To really get the most out of this course, you won't need any background in coding, programming, or technology. All you need is enthusiasm, an encouraging attitude, and an interest in seeing your kids start to have fun with code. During the course, I'm going to share a whole host of free tools, resources, and sites that you can use, as well as downloadable worksheets and templates to start fun exercises with your kids or class. The course itself is broken up into 4 distinct parts: preparation, before the code, setting up, and next steps. In preparation, I'm going to talk about setting the right expectations early with your kids to avoid disappointment or frustration. I'm going to talk about harnessing a logical programming mindset so that kids have their head in the right space for programming. And we're going to look at using sketches and drawings to develop ideas and drive software development with your kids. In Before the Code, I'm going to talk about exercises and tools we can use before diving into the code itself. We're going to use mock-up tools to design application flow. We're going to look at the right setup so that your kids are ready to go once they want to start coding. And we're also going to look at an overview of the most popular languages for beginners and kids. In setting up, I'm going to share with you some online tools and resources that can be used to help and develop your kids' programming skills. I'm also going to look at Scratch, one of the best platforms for kids to start programming with, and cover the web and app development as well. And finally, in next steps, we're going to look at how your kids can progress their skills and how they can move forward with their programming by joining computer clubs and delving into the world of hardware as well. So if you're looking for ways to inspire a passion for programming with your kids or class, or just trying to help them build a valuable skill for the future, this course will give you everything you need to get started. So join me and let's find out how to make coding fun.